Now we'll see how to send a post request. So we'll go to this class, and in post request again we would be needing this library to import. So I'll just copy this and paste it over here. Right, and then call the method given. And after given, what we need to do, we need to set the specification. So we need the authorization, that should be the basic authorization. So we're gonna do the basic authorization using auth. So I'll go over here, say the same authorization, basic, and the token that we have provided, right? And after that, we're going to set some parameters. So for that, we'll take a look at the API documentation and say create a customer. So create a customer is a post request, and while creating a customer, we can add address, balance, coupon, description, email, name, and number of things we can add, right? So let's try to add this using the parameters. These arguments will be added through the parameters itself. So parameters will be added with dot form param, and here we're going to provide the parameter name and the parameter value. So parameter name, I'm going to say name. So name over here is a parameter, and the value will be the name. And then again I'll say dot form param, and I'll say email and the email address. I'm gonna add trainer at way2automation.com, right? And along with this, if you want to add some more parameters, say form param, then let's see what other things we can add. We can add description. This is a new post request from Rest Assured API, right? And then we need to send a post request, so we'll say dot post and pass on the URI. So URI is this for the post, right? Right. And then this will gonna return us the response. So response, we're gonna store it inside response equal to this. Import this response and say response dot pretty print, right? So let's just run this and let's see if the post request is successful. It says some unauthorized request URL customer 0. Let's see what we have added. So there's a 0 added over here, right? Let's send the request once again. And the request is successful. We got the JSON. So here, this is the new post request from Rest Assured API, and this is the email. This is the name that's been added. If you go to this customers details over here once again, where we have that customer API, go to customer. You're gonna see this is a new post request that just been added, right? If you click on this, you have the name and the email ID and the description and other details being added over here, right? So this is how we have just sent a post request by passing all these parameter values and the basic auth authentication. All right.